welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome cousin, how are you? Welcome to a hair video. Are we installing and give you guys a little review on this hair? This is a 613 wig. I did tone it, as you guys will see in the video, using some Revlon, and I think I did a really good job. If you guys want to see how I did this hair, then just go ahead and keep on watching, and I'll give you guys a review, you know, as I show you guys the install process. All right, you guys, so this is the bag that the hair comes in. It was a nice, cute little pink little bag, you know what I'm saying? So it was cute. It was a bag within a bag within a bag. So the first thing that I saw was this champagne looking thing, and I thought it was cute. It's a little bonnet, aka shower cap, whatever you want to use it as. It also came with some lashes, and of course the Body Wave 613 wig that we will be installing today. It is a lace front. It got the combs as well as the adjustable straps in the back, and this is the hairline, so it didn't even really need to be plucked, but you know. And this is the bounce of the curls, the density, and this is how it looks on my head fresh out of the bag. I thought that there were some fillers, but those could just be baby hairs. But what we're going to do with this hair is we're going to tone it because it's looking very much yellow, very much the color of my shirt. So we're going to try and tone it just to get rid of the yellow undertones. I be wanting the whole wig to look like that. Am I not adding enough shampoo? Like, let me know. I don't be wanting to add too much purple shampoo because the wig be turning purple. I'm gonna color it. I'm using this Revlon Color Silk in the color Light Blonde. But honestly, this looks like what I just toned it to not be, you know? I mean, I don't know. We're gonna try it out and see though. I wanted to show you guys what came inside the box. It came this little thing, I guess that's conditioner, and the directions. I tried a test strip, and I didn't really see too much, but I didn't really leave it on for too long. But I was just like, you know what, whatever. We're going to put this on the whole head anyway, so let's just go into it. So here's what comes inside the box. They say to cut off the top of that, unscrew it, and pour the remnants of whatever's in that bottle. And then put your finger over the tip and shake it up. And did y'all know that the gloves come in the directions? I never knew that, because I never really read the directions, but I know that now. But anyway, so you just... basically how I colored their hair was I started putting the dye all over their hair, and then with whatever was left, I just went in between the creases and stuff. And you want to make sure that you're like putting it everywhere. I had 2 boxes of this, so I just used half on one. I used one box on one half and the other box on the other half. And you just really want to make sure that you're getting in between everywhere. And then later on, you'll see me going with a comb just to make sure that I'm getting in between all the hairs. I wanted to show you guys how the wig looks against my skin before I wash it. It's looking like purple. So I'm gonna rinse this out, wash it, and we're gonna see. So this is how the hair looked after I washed it and rinsed it. I didn't use any purple shampoo. I just used, you know, like a regular shampoo. And honestly, I don't know. Y'all let me know if y'all see a difference. I don't know if I see one, like a great difference. I mean, I can tell that it's toned. But anyway, so I was trying to scrunch up the hair because this is Body Wave hair. So I was trying to, you know, get some curls out of it or whatever. But now I'm going to try to install it. And this is the hair. It dried just a little bit, but I'm still going to go back in with my blow dryer. And here I was realizing something, you know what I'm saying? The size wasn't quite matching up with my hairline, and I didn't know what to do. I had to pull it forward, but if I pulled it forward, then the other side wouldn't reach. And I was in a dilemma when installing this wig because I've never been in a situation like this before. I'm still trying to save it, you know, trying to hot comb the hair out the wig, get the flyaways down, middle part, guys, so this is the hair after I've curled it, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous to brush out the curls because I did a little bit here and it kind of got like flat. So I think I want to just leave the curls as they are, you know what I'm saying? Okay, I'm gonna brush my fingers through them. Okay. Yeah, it just falls. But this the hair. What y'all think? Yeah, I left it down for about 45 minutes. And this is how the hair came out. It had like a purplish hue at first, which I was nervous about, but that was fine. If you want to keep the body wave, then just don't touch the hair as it's drying. And then something else that I noticed was I suggest going a size up because my head is small. This wig didn't fit me because it was too small. But aside from everything else, this hair is very soft, and you know, I actually like this hair. Please let me know what you guys think about this hair in the comment section down below. Don't forget to let me know what you guys think. I said the same thing twice, but in a different way. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My Instagram is down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.